to see about grammar, that is 8th standard grammar, term 2, part 1, term 2, unit 1, grammar. Okay, so today we are going to see about conjunctions. What? Conjunctions, right? Okay, see, I have written here and I am showing you. Okay, it's visible to everyone, no? Okay, let's see what is meant by conjunctions. Conjunctions means that is called connector. Okay, connector is a word or a phrase. What? Connector is a word or a phrase. Connector is a word or a phrase that joins two sentences or group of words together. They are also known as conjunctions. So conjunctions means what? It's a connector. Connector means what? Both are connecting together. The words or sentence may be connecting together, maybe a phrase or a word, maybe a phrase. Okay, word or a phrase that join two sentences are called as conjunctions. That is, conjunctions will be of three types. That is what? Coordinating conjunctions, subordinating and correlative. Coordinating, subordinating, correlative. Okay, coordinating means that is the equal rank. Subordinating means whether it will say the time, place, concession and comparison, and the correlative it will be parallel to everyone. Okay, let's go to coordinating. See here, coordinating means will join words, phrases or classes. will join will join words, phrases or will join words, phrases or class of equal importance. Of what importance? Equal. Okay, equal importance. So those are what they are telling, and those are what? And but, or, therefore, both, and, well as well as, not only, either or neither, nor else, etc. Okay, so the what you are saying, so the coordinating means will join words. Coordinating will join words or phrases. Coordinating what? Will join words or phrases of classes or class of what importance? Equal importance. What they are saying? Equal importance. Okay, I'll tell you an example too. Okay, no need to worry. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, it is a very easy and simple only. Okay, so conjunctions means what? Joining words or sentences. Joining words or sentences, and it's called as connected to. Junction, that self they are saying. See, junction, junction means the place we meet together. Yes, that is called as junction. Yes or no? Yeah, connector means what? The two things will connect is called as connector. That is joining words or sentences. For example is, she ran fast and won the race. Here the conjunction is what? And. Here the conjunction is what? And. She ran fast. The girl ran fast, as well as she won the race, and she won the race. So and is, I told no, conjunction is a word or a phrase that's it will join the words or a sentences. It will join the words or a sentences. The between it's joining, no, that word is called as a conjunction. That is, the joining word is what? And. The joining word is what? And here having, see, those, or, and, but, or, therefore, like that. Okay, one more example. Raj Kiran is a director. Raj Kiran is a what? You all know Raj Kiran. Yes, that Sandakoli film, Sandakoli movie, no? That Vishal father, Raj Kiran. Yes, I will know. Okay, Raj Kiran is a director and an actor, and here this is called conjunction. Raj Kiran is a famous director and also an actor too. So the meeting place, the two words or sentence will join together, that is called as a conjunction, that is and here. Okay, here coordinating will, sorry, now coordinating we saw, now subordinating will join words. Subordinating what will join words or phrases of classes of unequal. Here the coordinating will equals importance, here unequal it will give, that is those are after, us, until, unless, when, whenever, as soon as, though, because, still, etc. And then what they are given, the bus had, see the example here, the bus had left before he came. What they are given, the bus had left before you came itself, the bus had left. Okay, so you came by late, so the bus had left before he came. The bus had left before he came, that is this word is called as a what, conjunction. Here next one is correlative conjunction, is a type of conjunction that conjunctions in a pair. Correlative means what, correlation between means what, the pair. Correlation means what, pair. Okay, see what means, example also I will tell. Okay, so those are either, are both, and neither, nor, not only, but also, such as, such that, so as, rather than, whenever, or. Okay, so the example is, I am not only a singer but also a dancer. So in one sentence they are given two. Okay, that is correlation means a pair, one girl. Okay, so myself, I am not only a singer but also a dancer. I am not only a singer but also a dancer too, so I'm having both. Okay, so I'm not only a singer but also a dancer. So he is not only a chef, he is working in a private company too. Okay, he is not only a chef but also a engineer. Okay, that is called as a correlation, means correlating, that is the pair between one or two. Okay, have you seen, no? Conjunction I told you now, that is connector. Junction means that meeting place, am I right? Junction means a meeting place. Okay, what is meant by conjunction? Joining words or phrases, joining words or sentences is called what, conjunction. The joining words or sentence we are using to use one word, no, that word is called as what, conjunction. That is a connector too. So it's a word or a phrase that joins two sentence or group of words together, they are also known as conjunction. Conjunction are of three different parts, that is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative means that is parallel means a pair. Okay, so subordinating, it will inform the time, place, constitution, and comparison. Okay, the coordinating means the equal one. So here the coordinating will join the words or phrases of what sentence, equal importance, right? But subordinating will give unequal importance, am I right? That is those, or, and, but, or, they, as well as, like that. Then subordinating means after, as, until, unless, whenever, as soon as, because, still, though. Example is, the bus had left before you came, before he came, that is you came. Okay, correlative means what I told, the pair. Correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that joins, that functions in a pair. Okay, students, thank you for watching this video. If you're having any doubt, you can ping me in the group. Okay, thank you. And you have to go through the grammar, and you have to see some more examples, and you have to give some more examples and you have to do. Okay, then only it will be easy for you to write in your test and all. Okay, thank you for watching.